This video explains the difference between physical stock and available stock, using an example in the Warehouse Management Monitor. This topic is particularly important because in daily warehouse operations, it is essential to interpret the different stock types correctly and to understand which information can be used to support decisions. Anyone working with EWM will repeatedly encounter different stock figures in the Warehouse Management Monitor that may seem confusing at first glance. For this reason, this video will explain step by step how physical stock differs from available stock and where these values can be found in the monitor. The first step is to open the Warehouse Management Monitor. This is done by calling transaction/scwm/amon. After starting the monitor, the familiar structure appears with the navigation tree on the left side and the display area on the right side. To get an overview of the stock situation, the Stock section is selected in the navigation. Various evaluations are available here, for example by material, by storage bin, or by handling unit. For this video, it is sufficient to run a simple query on material level. To do this, a material is entered in the selection screen and the query is executed. The display area now shows different stock information. Physical stock represents the total quantity that is actually present in the warehouse. It therefore reflects the real warehouse inventory physically located in the facility. This value includes all stock, regardless of whether it is available or currently blocked. Physical stock is therefore the sum of all stock recorded in the system, without regard to its usage status. Available stock, on the other hand, is a subset of physical stock. It shows the quantity that can actually be used for goods issue or other logistical processes. Certain restrictions are taken into account here. For example, stock that is under a block is not included in available stock. Likewise, stock that has already been reserved for open warehouse tasks reduces the available stock because it can no longer be used for other processes. The difference between the two values is therefore crucial when it comes to making delivery commitments or planning orders. To understand this relationship better, it is useful to take a closer look at the detail view. In the monitor, a material is selected from the results list and the stock details are opened. The system then shows which stock is under quality inspection, which is blocked, or which is already allocated to warehouse tasks. These quantities increase physical stock, but are not available for goods issue or other requirements. This also makes it clear that physical stock is usually higher than available stock. In some cases, available stock may even be zero, although there is still stock physically present in the warehouse. This happens, for example, when all quantities are blocked or already reserved. In practice, it is therefore essential that users do not only look at physical stock, but always also consider available stock in order to correctly assess actual delivery capability. A simple example illustrates this point. Imagine a warehouse physically holding 100 pieces of a certain material. Out of these 100 pieces, 20 are under quality inspection, another 30 have already been reserved for a delivery order, and 10 are blocked due to an internal hold. In this case, physical stock remains 100 pieces, but available stock amounts to only 40 pieces. This exact difference is what the Warehouse Management Monitor makes visible. For users, the Warehouse Management Monitor, therefore, provides a very powerful tool to analyze stock in detail and with full transparency. With its drill-down functions, stock can be traced down to the handling unit or storage bin level. This makes it possible to understand why available stock is lower than physical stock. The system provides the necessary transparency to explain stock differences and to support well-founded decisions. In summary, physical stock reflects the total quantity present in the warehouse, while available stock shows the quantity that can actually be used. Anyone working with EWM should always keep this difference in mind, especially when planning goods issues or committing to delivery quantities. The Warehouse Management Monitor displays both stock types side by side and enables a quick analysis.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.